Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your accounts are ready. An active Google account and a verified PayPal account with a funding source. Once done, open the Google Pay app and update it if needed, because newer versions support PayPal linking. Make sure location and network permissions are enabled so the app can authenticate. Tap Payments, then add payment method, and choose PayPal. You will be redirected to PayPal to sign in and grant permissions. This is required to authorize transfers and use PayPal as a payment instrument. Once redirected, sign into your PayPal account and explicitly allow Google Pay to access your funding sources. This permission links the two services securely. Then pick which PayPal funding source you want to use, balance, linked bank, or card, because Google Pay will route payments through that option. After that, return to Google Pay and set PayPal as the default for online purchases or contactless payments if you prefer. This streamlines checkout. Make sure two-factor prompts are completed, since verification reduces declined transactions. To finish, test the connection with a small purchase or a quick tap to pay. This confirms the flow and shows how charges appear in both apps. Then review receipts in Google Pay and PayPal to verify the funding source and fees. If something goes wrong, make sure two-factor authentication and funding limits are clear. Then try unlinking and relinking PayPal or clear the Google Pay app cache. This troubleshooting tip fixes most sync and authorization errors quickly, so you can resume normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.